Express your creativity to the glory of God. Enjoy watching. Yo, I'm doing an unboxing of a sticker maker that I purchased from Amazon. So let's see what we have here. I seen a sticker maker one time in Walmart a few years ago. I wish I would have gotten it then because it was very inexpensive. But I saw one on Amazon, so I just went ahead and got it. Okay, so let's see. I think I'm still in frame. It's not too big of a box. Here, hold on. There's a blender pen that I got from my husband from Primzacolor. It's a blender, a colorless blender marker, because he uses markers a lot. So okay, so here goes. Here's the sticker maker. 5 inches by 12 and 7/10 centimeters. Okay, so it does not require heat, batteries, or electricity. That's a good thing right here. I'm sure you can see that, right? And it's by Xyron. I think that's Xyron, to be honest with you. It's right here. It's 18 feet and 5 and 5/10 meters. Permanent adhesive included. That's the size of the machine. Oh, it had some adhesive in it. So this is the max. I think the small one is purple. Alright, I can use this barcode to learn more. Not barcode, but it escaped me right now. Okay. So right here it says permanent adhesive, strongest hold adhesive, cannot be repositioned. Oh wow, that's good to know. So once the sticker is down, it can't be repositioned. Mixed media, craft, scrapbooking, card making, home decor, and school projects. It says the Xyron Creator Sticker Max is easy to refill. Simply remove one cartridge and replace it with another. And then they're showing here how to use it on the box. Easy to use. Place item in the Xyron. Create a sticker max. Turn the handle. Tear, peel, and stick. Wow. Okay. I'm glad it doesn't require heat, batteries, or electricity. That's a plus. So let's see what the machine looks like. So if I know that I'm going to want to reposition something, I should not use this. Okay. Make sure I stay within frame. Okay. Okay, it's a nice size. Yeah, because I need my space. Oh, it's so cute. Look at that. It's adorable. Sticker maker. And so, this is the user guide. That's nice. How many pages long is it? Okay. Okay, so they have it in English, French, and Spanish. Okay, so let's see. But it's not too dense. I don't like dense instructions. That's crazy because I'm really I'm really detailed. I give dense instructions. Oh, likes. But no, it's not really dense. It's just detail. I think detail is different than dense, because I think dense is where it gives information that's not really needed, whereas detailed, the information is needed. It's just clearly delineated. So I don't like dense instructions, but I like detailed instructions. And look, it has the visuals too. So let me see. Okay. Xyron Creator Sticker Max lets you quickly and simply apply edge-to-edge adhesive to items without heat, electricity, or batteries. Best of all, there are no messy glues to clean up. The Creator Sticker Max is a perfect tool the whole family can use. And that's some couple of images. Getting to know the Xyron Creator Sticker Max. And they have all the parts labeled. The latch, the cartridge compartment, the handle, the tray, and then they tell you what each part does, which is really good. And then, wait a minute, look at that. Permanent adhesive for strongest hold, works well on all porous surfaces. But look at this. They also make available, but it's sold separately. Okay. Wait a minute. It says reposition items. They do sell repositional adhesive for this. It says repositions items several times, best on smooth surfaces, safe for windows, painted walls, and doors. But they did put may become permanent over time on some surfaces. So I guess you just have to be cautious. And then it tells you using to create a sticker max. So that's good to know that they do offer repositional adhesive for this, for their stickers for this machine, for the stickers that you make. Using a Creator Sticker Max, place item on feed tray, and then they tell you how to do it, which I'm not going to really go into that because I'm going to show a video of me creating a sticker and then using it. So loading and unloading cartridges. Okay, that's good. And basically that's it. And then customer service, the rest is then the other sections are the same instructions in French and Spanish. And so here it goes. You know, hold on. I don't think I need to show you all of that. But look at it. It's really nice. Oh, I see. It comes out through here. I don't know if you can see inside there. Right there. You can actually see some adhesive paper in there. And it has these ridges where, you know, like on a saran wrap. Oh God, it's so early. I'm a little bit tongue-tied. Saran wrap and aluminum foil. Those ridges where you could just easily tear off the foil and the wrap. They have the same thing here. It says caution, sharp edges and points. Yes, I felt that. Yeah, so. Alrighty, so I'm going to, one second. This is the latch. Oh, there we go. Okay. I didn't want to pull it, and then I didn't know what I was doing, and then something breaks. So, it's simple. Look at that, and you can see the adhesive in there. That's amazing. And it's replaceable. I'm not going to go through that now. I don't think there's a need to. But it does show how to load and unload the cartridge. So when it's time for that, I don't know what to do. I can use those instructions to help me. And so I'll close this back. How do you do that? Oh, okay, you have to have this latch lifted up to even close it. So that's my new sticker maker. And when I do make a sticker, Hopefully I can try to make one today. I'm going to show a demo of it using my Xyron Create a Sticker Max. Alright, so if you're interested in getting this, I think it cost me, let me see if I can find my price. Hold on one second. Yes, so it was $19.99. It's $19.99 on Amazon Prime. If you don't have Prime, I believe it's $29.95. But you know what? The Prime, you get a discount. So only paid $20 for this. So I'm really grateful. I think the smaller one I saw when I saw it in Walmart, it was like around that same price actually, but it was the smaller one. So I kind of I was fortunate to find this on Amazon Prime for $19.95. So 95 or 99. I forgot the cents. I didn't look at it really that good. But yeah, so that's it. Yeah, so if you want one, you can go on Amazon, or you know, I guess you can even probably go to their website and see if they offer it. So like I said, I'll try to do a video that shows me making a sticker using the Xyron Create a Sticker Max. All right, God bless you. Thanks for watching, and remember, Jesus loves you. Bye bye.